businesses. We are decade of excellency and culinary innovation. So, we also provide some different sizes and flavor. If you guys saw yung, pwede nyo pong tignan yung product presentation natin, and also to see different sizes that caters to different market. Meron tayong solo, yung mga new customer natin wherein gusto lang nila i-try, meron tayong ganon. Kasi not any big shop na meron silang like slice lang. Kailangan talaga cool. Pero kami, we prepare like a solo and also different sizes and also dedication. So ito yung mga flavors natin. Yama Cake, classic cake, ube yama cake, pastillas, mocha salted cake, chocolate, caramel yama cake, and also bread and pastries. Meron din tayong some premium breads we provide. While you're waiting, we can give a taste of our breads. Also cake. Pwede po yung malaki doon. I-slice na lang po namin. Some add-on. So we are currently 19 branches for Reminisce Yama Cake, inline and non-mall, counter type. So some of the brands na nakausap ko naman tinatanong yung if whether we approve mall. Yeah, we also approve mall and also commercial outside. So pwede po kami doon. So ito yung type na inline natin wherein we can provide you a refrigerator, meron kami branding guidelines for remedies. Ito yung inline type. So ito yung commercial, labas ng mall. So some of our, as data says, some of our profitable branches is from the outside of the mall. So we encourage sana, kasi malaki ang rentals sa mall. We encourage outside also for, but we also have a counter. We're in SM, Robinsons. So approved kami for that. So yun po yung mga breads natin. Also we will have a taste for the cakes. So here's the branches namin currently. Quezon City, Pasig, Caloocan, Malabon, Manila, Maranao, Valenzuela. As you can see, it's also in some part of North. Wala tayong masyadong franchisee in South. So we are hoping sana na some of the franchisees will join us to expand by this year and also next year. So here's our franchise package right now. So if you are opting to counter and kiosk type franchise package, we have a total investment of 1,330,000 with a marketing fee of 1% and royalty fee of 1%. So it's a box of 12 SQM. So franchise fee for 100,000. The package inclusion is 930.
Ibang flavor, kinala.
So ano po bang inclusion doon? That is inclusion the franchise fee, less improvements, kami na pumahala sa construction. That combines equipment and appliance, decor, tray, signages, label, initial inventory, marketing collaterals, grand opening samplers, uniform, and tracking and freight and training. So for inline naman, medyo malaking investment siya because malaking size siya. So it's 1.60, franchise fee of 400,000, franchise package of 1,060,000. So same as the kiosk is 1% and royalty of 1% then. So 1% lang po kami for and then a 5-year renewal contract, a max of 50 SQM. So from your spaces like 20 SQM to 50 SQM. Ito po yung package namin. So next, ano po naman yan? Ito po siya. So branding materials package of for the construction, if you want to help, meron kaming construction firm or third party na we can endorse it and we can give you a prices if you want. But we will provide a branding materials package like the flooring, the table.